I welcome you all in episode 182 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about Kapalbhati Kriya. Learn this technique under the supervision of a yoga master. Kapalbhati is one of the 6 cleansing techniques. The word Kapalbhati is made up of 2 Sanskrit words, Kapala and Bhati. Kapala means skull or frontal lobe of brain. Bhati means shine. There are 3 types of Kapalbhati: Vat Karma Kapalbhati, Vyut Karma Kapalbhati, and Sheet Karma Kapalbhati. In Vat Karma Kapalbhati, when we practice this pranayama or cleansing technique with the devotion and dedication, the magnetic power of Apan Vayu starts ascending from the mid of the spinal cord towards the skull and purify the cerebellum part of the brain. Vat Karma Kapalbhati Kriya is one of the is also practiced as a pranayama in a sitting position. When the breath is expelled out with greater force, this purifies the cerebrum sahasrara. Thus, this kriya is instrumental in the purification of the entire skull. People suffering from high blood pressure, heart disease, vertigo, epilepsy, stroke, hernia, gastric ulcer should not practice this kriya. Today, this Vat Karma Kapalbhati Kriya will be demonstrated by our yoga instructor, Sri Rajiv Misra. Stand on the yoga mat, keeping the feet slightly apart. Lean forward and bend the knees slightly. Place both the palms over the thighs just above the knees. Now inhale deeply through both the nostrils and exhale forcefully, contracting the abdominal muscles. Apply Mool Bandha during the practice. Repeat 30 times. Between 2 repetitions, there should be a little time gap so that some breathing in will take place automatically. That way, exhalation will keep happening with full force. Return to the prior position and take rest. This is 1 round. Repeat 3 rounds. After repeating the rounds, return back in the prior position and take rest in sitting posture. Now, the Vyut Karma Kapalbhati Kriya will be demonstrated by our yoga instructor Sri Rajiv Misra. But one thing always keep in your mind, that a sadhaka should learn this kriya under the supervision of a yoga guru, being this kriya is an advanced kriya. To perform Vyut Karma Kapalbhati Kriya, take lukewarm water in a bowl. Mix very less quantity of salt in it. Now stand on the floor and lean forward from the lower waist. Sniff the water through the nose. Let the water flow down in the mouth and then spit it out. Repeat it 4 to 5 times. Generally, after completing the rounds, practice Vat Karma Kapalbhati to dry the nostrils properly for 30 to 40 times. Vat Karma, repeat Vat Karma Kapalbhati, Rajiv ji. Stand and Vat Karma Kapalbhati, simple. Return to the normal position, prior position, and take rest for some time in sitting posture. Sheath Karma Kapalbhati is also like Vyut Karma Kapalbhati, but in that Kriya, the water is filled in the mouth and it was taken out from the nostrils. Fill lukewarm saline water in the mouth, then it is expelled through the nose. Sadhaka should not swallow the water. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. After completing the rounds, practice Vat Karma Kapalbhati Kriya in 30 to 40 times to dry the nostril. Increase the rounds gradually over a period of time. This Kriya removes mucus from nasal passages and sinuses. It cures sinusitis. It brings shining on the face. Kapalbhati alleviates cold, cough, and allergies, etc. It helps to awaken Ajna Chakra. All benefits of Jalaneti, Kriya, and Kapalbhati Pranayama are also achieved. Do Shatkarma under the supervision of a yoga master to detoxify your body to ensure successful progression in the higher yoga practices and to live healthy life. Share this video among others to the maximum and be the part of this noble work. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.